Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK in Odia. Friends, today we have prepared an essay physical exercise. Yet you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update. Let's start an essay physical exercise. Health is wealth. Everybody should need to be physically well. Sound mind depends on sound body. Physical exercise help us to keep physically and mentally sound. Those who want good health and a strong body, they should always do physical exercise. Walking, swimming, running are all physical exercise. Even sleeping is also an exercise of the body. We can do both outdoor and indoor exercise. Physical exercise can be done in the morning and evening. It should be done in the open air. We should make ourselves free from anger. We should take proper diet. We should continue the exercise regularly. We should not do over exercise. It may cause harm to our body and mind. Morning walk is a good physical exercise. Children should be encouraged to do physical exercise. Those who do regular exercise, their mind remain cheerful. It makes a person active and energetic. It improves the mental power, it removes indigestion, it gives our body a better shape. Our brain develops. Friends, if you like this video, please press like button. Thanks for watch till the end.